Hey guys, welcome to Delstack, and today I will be showing you how to hide what a game you're playing on Discord. So guys, to proceed with this process, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and open up your Discord application. Now, over here on the Discord app, you would just simply go ahead and go for the gear icon over here, guys, at the user settings. And now here you could just simply go for scroll down, and here you will have activity privacy. So go ahead and select this one under activity settings, and here you will have multiple options. So the most important thing is turning off share my activity. So if you turn this on, the information from games and connected apps that you use will include when and how you engage. So turn it off, and from here you could filter it out as well. So you will have multiple options here, as you can see. So if you scroll down as well, you could filter out a specific server if you want to show the specific server or no. And you could also allow your friends to join over here. So these are some additional settings on the share my activity feature. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.